So here I am slowly getting the engine, the 3.8 liter engine, into the C2S. It's a 2006 C2S. As you can see, I've put some new ancillaries and bits on it. There is the power plant. You can notice the IPD plenum and the new oil filler tube, which had quite a bit of drama with that. And here, let's go down below. You can see I've got a 1,000-pound hydraulic lift cart. Seems to be doing okay. I think it will get me all the way up. As you can see, the motor mount looks like I gotta get that straightened a little bit so that it fits right in the motor mount there. So don't know if I should take my tires off. Perhaps. We'll see. So let's go underneath. Okay. Here we're underneath the car. You can see I've got fairly decent support. I have the car up about 39¼ inches with the aid of a couple of pieces of 2x12s. Here underneath, let's see, there we can see some of the transmission mount screws preparing to go in. Probably one big question is some of the connections for the transmission. Perhaps I should drop the tranny down and try to get some of those connected before going up there. So we'll have to do that. Got my transmission jack here. I have an additional jack support there just in case. And that, I'm hoping for a successful install. By tomorrow perhaps, or at least next week.